नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. तर आपण आता स्टँडर्ड 9ची मॅथ्सची टेस्ट बघत आहोत, सेमी इंग्लिश मीडियमची. मी मराठी मीडियम आणि इंग्लिश मीडियम दोघांची आन्सर पेपर एकच बनवली आहे. तर इकडे आपण मराठी मीडियमचे आन्सर्स लिहिले आणि इकडे सेमी इंग्लिशचे. तर फिल इन द ब्लँक्स तर तुम्हाला समजेल की √2, 110, हाफ अँड 3/2 इज ग्रेटर दॅन 5/7 हे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चनचे आन्सर आहेत. नंतर क्वेश्चन 2 पण सेम आन्सरच येईल, 16/3 दॅट इज 5.3. देन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड वी कॅन राईट in triangle ABC measure of angle BCA is equal to 50 degree, measure of angle CAB is equal to 70 degree. Then we have to find measure of angle ABC. We know that measure of angles of triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the measures of the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So by applying this theorem we can write this measure of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. Then we have the measure of angle BCA and measure of angle CAB. Then put up the values of measure of angle BCA and measure of angle CAB. Here we put the values of these angle. Then measure of angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. This 120 degree comes from 50 degree plus 70 degree, that is 120 degree. Then after subtraction we can see this measure of angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. After this measure of angle ABD plus measure of angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Then measure of angle ABD plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, that is measure of angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degree. This type we can solve the question second. Let's move towards the question 3. Question 3 हा मी मराठीमध्ये लिहिला आहे. We can say that the 15 is the number which is divided by 5 and 3. Let's move towards the question 3. You can see that question 3, first you have to draw √2 on line. First you have to draw a line. I have drawn a line. Then put the points 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Then first of all you have to do BC is perpendicular to AB, means what? This BC perpendicular to, here you have to write OB. Then BC is perpendicular to OB. We know that if this is perpendicular, then the measure of angle CBO, what? It will be 90 degree. Then and we have to put BC is equal to 1, that means OB is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. Then in triangle OBC, means in this triangle OBC by Pythagoras theorem, you know that what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem states that hypotenuse square, what? Hypotenuse OC, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. We have side 1 AB square plus BC square. AB square की वैल्यू कितनी है 1 स्क्वायर पर, प्लस BC स्क्वायर की वैल्यू कितनी है 1 स्क्वायर. द समेशन ऑफ टू दिस will be OC square is equal to 2. We have OC square but we want OC, then taking square root we can write this taking square root. We got OC is equal to √2. Then we have OC is equal to √2. Then take the compass, put the still point on O and take the distance from O to C and draw the mark. You will get D point and the D point will be your √2. So in this way you have to draw √2 on a line. Then question 2, we give the, suppose this is our triangle and put the measure of angle y and 2y. So we can state that in any triangle, let's take right angle. In right angle triangle, the sum of the measure of the all angles of the triangle is 180. This is the common theorem and most important theorem in your study, because this theorem will help you most. The sum of the measure of the all angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Then we have this triangle. Then what can we say? Measure of angle ABC plus measure of angle BCA plus measure of angle CAB is equal to 180 degree. That means put the values of these angles. 2y plus y plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. That means 2y plus y, 3y, and 180 minus 90. How much we will get? 90 degree. Then 3y is equal to 90 degree. Then y is equal to 30 degree. We have 2y. Then put the value of y, that is 2 into 30, we get 60. Here we can see that we obtain the value of y and 2y. Y is equal to 30 degree and 2y is equal to 60 degree. Let's move towards the question third. We have the diagram. We have line L, line M. Measure of angle A, which is given, which is 40 degree, and N is the transversal. So first of all, we have to write what we have given. So line L parallel to line M and line N is a transversal. First question, measure of angle, we have to find measure of angle B. Then we have starting like this, measure of angle A is equal to 40, which is given. So from the diagram we can see that measure of angle A and angle C, इथं मी चूक केली, अपोजिट अँगल्स दिलं त्याचं. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही हा व्हिडिओ बघत असाल तर प्लीज कॉपी पेस्ट नका करू. मी यासाठी ते चुकवलं आहे, कारण जर तुम्ही कॉपी पेस्ट केलं तर तुम्हाला याचा काहीच फायदा होणार नाही. तुम्ही प्लीज हे समजून घ्या आणि मला कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कळवा की हे जे अँगल्स आहे ए आणि बी हे कोणते अँगल्स आहे. ओके. देन I know measure of angle A will be measure of angle B, but you have to tell me in comment box that these angles are which type of angles. Measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle B. Then measure of angle B is equal to 40 degree. So measure of angle B will get you 40 degree. Then question second, measure of angle B and measure of angle C. We have angle C, angle B and angle C. We have to find which type of this. We have angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle C. So we know that angle B and angle C are alternate angles. Then measure will be same. Measure of angle B 40 degree. Then measure of angle C will be 40 degree. Question fourth. We have the diagram. Triangle ABC and BD is the perpendicular to the AC and AN is the median of this side BC. We can see that. So BD is perpendicular to AC, that is BD is perpendicular to side AC. Then measure of angle D will be 90 degree because it is perpendicular. So measure of angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. This is our answer. Question second. In fourth question, we have AN is the median of the side BC. Then point N will be the midpoint of side BC. We know that if we draw median on any side, then median divides the side in two equal parts. By this theorem, we got point N is the midpoint of the side BC. So we can write this, N is the midpoint of side BC, therefore BN is equal to 1/2 BC. Put the values of BN, that is 5 is equal to 1/2 BC. We get BC is equal to 10 units. So in this way we can solve the maths test 1. आणि या क्वेश्चन थर्ड मधल्या प्रश्नातील थर्ड अँगल्स कोणते आहे ते कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये जरूर कळवा. कमेंट करा.